Alecrim House by Djan Chu in Brasília, Brazil. The Alecrim House is located between the modernist aura of Brasília and the adjacent natural scenery, in Alecrim Dreams, a project aimed at offering a unique and serene experience of genuine reconnection with nature. The project encompasses a set of residences designed for seamless integration with their surroundings. The request came from a couple of owners, who for 2 decades have played the role of guardians of the place, being responsible for planting trees and creating the lavender field. The lavender field, in addition to being a landscape element, is a source of raw material for the owner's line of organic products. The house was designed within this context, where the goal is to provide users with relaxation, tranquility, and deceleration. The use of natural light combined with a neutral color palette, intimate courtyards that provide spaces for contemplation, and a design reduced to the essentials, conceived to eliminate distractions, is an invitation for visitors to immerse themselves and enjoy the owner's slow philosophy of life.